You've just received the repair bill for your hospital's MRI, and it's the equivalent of a small fortune. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 3 witty yet practical ways to capitate repair costs for medical and laboratory equipment. Grab your lab coats and let's dive in. To repair or replace? Number 1. Weigh the costs of repairing a machine against the price of a new one. Sometimes, it's cheaper to let go and invest in something new and shiny. Keep a spare. Number 2. Maintaining a small inventory of spare parts for critical equipment can help avoid costly downtime when you're waiting for a repair. Train your staff. Number 3. An educated workforce is a cost-effective one. Properly trained staff can help identify issues early and reduce the risk of costly damage.